Hola mi gente, welcome to my channel, Mika Creates. I'm Mika. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Today I'm doing a really quick snack. I'm making an al pastor quesadilla. That's what I'm making. My girlfriend Tracy's coming over for dinner, and so I have some tortillas and I'm gonna warm up real quick. Yes, and I'm gonna eat it off the skillet. Why not? Why not? I'm gonna have dinner with her, but I did want to have a little snack because I haven't eaten. And so I have some already made al pastor meat that I already made. So this is Mexican style pork. So typically what they do is it's like on a skewer, a large skewer, and it just turns around and around and around against the heat, and then they shred it off. But this is not that. I bought it at the store and made it myself, and I didn't have one of those skewer things, those roasters. So anyway, I'm so hungry. So I wanted to thank everybody. I have 200 subscribers, 203 to be exact. Okay, I'm going to make this a little bit different. I want to add a little bit of aceite because I like it to be crispy. I'm going to lower this because this guy is like hot. Hot. Okay. So there it is. This is going to cook quick. So I got to get my meat up in there. I should have put the cheese first. I'm so excited. So excited. I want this to be more cheese than anything. And then I'm going to add some green onions because you guys know I love me some onions. So anyway, what kind of cheese is this? Is cheddar jack. And I want it to be stringy with cheese. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, look at that. Can you guys see that? I know you can see it because I can see it. Oh, I almost want to put another one on top. What do you guys think? No? Okay, yeah, you're right. Because I'm going to have lunch with my dinner with my girlfriend. Here I am trying to, see, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, I can't even, I think I'm just going to have to do it. Okay. I don't know. I'm going to have to flip it. This comal gets so hot so quick. I feel, what am I doing with this? Here we go. Ooh, it's hot. It's hot, baby. Man, I'm just getting right into cooking. You guys can't tell I'm hungry. Not at all. I know. I should have put the top. I'm going to put the top layer on it. That's what I'm going to do. I know I'm indecisive, but I'm sitting here and I go, man, I can see that little crisp. I can see the crisp. So check this out. This is what I'm going to do. What am I going to do? I'm going to put this on here like so it goes underneath, and I'm going to lift this up. There we go. You're like, what? Are you doing 2 layers? No. I'm not going to make a big tostada, but I want it to cook. And then now I'm going to get this guy. See that? And I'm going to flip it. Whoa! I did it. Did you guys see that? We did it! Who says we can't do it? Who says we can't do it? We can do anything. I turned it off. Okay. So going back, I just want to thank you guys so much for subscribing, for watching my videos. I really hope that you're having a lot of fun watching me and you're like, what a goofball she is or whatever. And I am. But you know what? I'm a goofball, but I love to sit here and chat with you guys. It's not a chow chat today. I don't really have much to say. Just a lot of gratitude for you guys subscribing. And don't forget to share if you're new to my video. My name is Mika, and this is your channel as well as mine. And all I do is eat some really good food that I love to cook. And I have you as a guest every day. And I do chow chats. And chow chat is when I have a topic that I want to talk about, and it's just me chowing and you and I are chatting. It's that simple. And I also have guests over, and that's called table talk, when I actually bring in a guest and we talk about things, or we just goof around and have fun eating. So that's what I'm doing. But today, I just wanted to make a snack. Because like I said, I'm having dinner with my friend Tracy. So I have a playlist, so I'm going to put this under the snack playlist. Now what I'm going to add onto this bad boy is some sour cream. I have some sour cream on deck. I know you can't see it, but I do. Let's push this closer so you can see it. Can you see me clearly? I hope so. I don't know if it's the heat, but it looks kind of fuzzy. But I also need glasses. Well, I have glasses. Too much information. I'm all over the place today. So, I have green onions that I'm going to put on top with some sour cream and some salsa. So right now, I normally make my own salsa, but when a girl is busy, this is what I'm using. Verdes, their salsa is good. They have that green guacamole salsa that's delicious. It's like, yeah, the green guacamole salsa. You can get it in mild or hot. I can't remember. But this is the roasted salsa, and it's good, mi gente. And I have some avocado. Okay, this is done. This comal isn't designed for this, but that's what we're doing. Okay, so I have some sour cream. Put a dollop of sour cream. Oh my. Hopefully that'll melt a little bit. See, if I had some crema. Crema is Mexican sour cream. Literally from Mexico. It's delicious. And you just like, ooh. My mouth is watery. Put that on the side. And then I've got some of the salsa. Put a little bit like so. Oh, I'm gonna need more than that, but just to make it look pretty, because we like pretty things. A lot, dollop of green onions. Let's take a little nice look at that. Ooh. Ay, Dios mío, jole mole. You see that? Yes, mi gente. Your mouth is watering, I know. All right, so let me put this on a plate. I think I should use a plate. Okay, mi gente. So, this is what it looks like. Take it up to you. That is what it looks like. So I cut it with the pizza cutter, so it looks like a little Mexican pizza. That's what I did. But now for the aguacate. This girl needs some aguacate, avocado. Oh yeah, you know, I could eat avocado all by itself with some salt, solito, all by itself. A little bit of salt. I think I'm going to put, I have a clean spoon over here. I think I'm going to put some sour cream and some salsa on each piece. What do you guys think? That's not enough, right? That looks delicious. Okay, first bite for you. Let's go. That's for you. You like it? Tasty? You taste the salsa? All right. Next bites for me. I didn't even touch up my makeup. Nothing. Not that I always do, but you know. So let me just give you guys an update. So you know I love YouTube. I watch other YouTubers. Why am I addicted? Okay, I just found out about this YouTube channel. Family, I'm slow. If you guys don't tell me who to watch, I don't know. Mama D's World. Addicted. I'm addicted. I can't with them too. So it's her and her husband. She has a husband named Dom. She's Cuban. My fellow Caribbean friend. And sister. And her husband Dom, who's Italian. They're the cutest flippin' couple, you guys. And there's some sex appeal going on with them too. So adorable. They're adorable. I just started binge watching them. So today during my lunch, I normally read or listen to meditations in my car. Guess what I was doing? Yep. I'm watching their video during my lunchtime. My lunch hour at work. In my car. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. And it was just so, I don't know, they're just such a refreshing couple. I don't know if they'll ever watch my channel, but if they do, God bless you too. I pray that God blesses your marriage until your last breath. What a great little example. Not little, big. What a great example. They just love each other. So cute. And then, let me get to the good stuff. Her mother, with this adorable accent. She reminds me of my mom. I can't because make me cry, but her mom is so adorable and cooks with her, and the recipes, like, you should see them going back and forth, bickering a little bit like a mom and daughter should, but then loving on each other. Oh my gosh, I can't. I just can't with her channel. I'm telling you, you probably know who she is because, like I said, I live under a rock, apparently. But if you don't know who they are, now you know. Go check out their channel. Listen, my theory is there's enough love for everybody to go around. I said to go to everybody's channel. Let me know who you guys like. There's enough love to go around. So check out Dee Dee's World. Dee Dee's World? Dee Dee's World. Oh man, I don't even have my cell phone. Anyway, I'll link her description in the box. Her and her mans. They're adorable. But her mom has a recipe on Cuban croquetas. Croquetas are a little snack, finger food, appetizer. I've never had them. I don't think. But of course I saw that video and I started looking at different recipes to see how to make it. So I'm gonna have to make her mom's croquetas because they were eating them and they look so good. I gotta have me some good too. I want me some good too. And then Dame Dash did a flavors with Dame. He did a video of his niece. So I can't with that little girl. She's sitting there eating spaghetti and mac and cheese and I think it was yams. And she just loves her uncle, boy. And so she's obviously been studying him. Because when she opens up on the video, she knows exactly what to say, exactly how he does it. Who does that? Oh my gosh, I want to eat her. She's adorable. God bless her. God bless her. She just loves her uncle. It's the... You guys have to watch it. I'll link it. I'll link it too. I'm serious. And Dame eats good. Dame, you eat good. If you ever watch this video, I'm telling you, you eat good. I think I remember he lives in Detroit or something. I don't know. I may have to take me a trip if he ever invites me. You can always come to Cali. My boy is good. And his sauce. I want to try. So I've had his butter sauce. I want to try the other sauce that he has. Mixing the salsa and the sour cream is so good. But I need some more green onions. Eso es lo que me falta. That is what I'm missing. Where are the green onions? Where'd they go? Uh-huh. I probably shouldn't have ate this snack. Because you aren't going to believe it, but I'm getting full. Because I put 2 tortillas. I shouldn't have put 2 tortillas, but I did. I couldn't. I'm going to have to work out after this. No, really. Okay, I'm just kidding. But really, I should. But I'm not. But after dinner, I will go for a walk. Take my little babies, Pinch and Mola. Get a little cardio going. You guys, putting a little bit of oil and kind of crisping it up is so delicious. I do that with my soft tacos too, the corn tortillas. I dip them with a little bit of oil. That's what I do. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I think I'm gonna spread it like so. Add some more salsa. we'll put a piece of avocado and some green onions. Look at that. Yeah, you can see that. Oh man. I didn't even get anything to drink. I came home, I was so excited. Because we have 203 subscribers. Yay! You guys are the best. Avocado. Anyway, I'm gonna let you go because I gotta prepare dinner. But I love you, mi gente. Thank you so much for supporting me and allowing me in your homes. Don't forget to share and subscribe, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And I'm just praying for all those people that were in the midst of the hurricane. God be with you. Peace be with you. Protection over you. So God bless all of you. Okay. That's it. Thank you for allowing me in your homes. And don't forget, you don't ever have to have breakfast, lunch, or dinner by yourself. You can always have it with your girl. Just turn on my channel, I'll always be there. I love you guys. Thank you for your support. Until next time. Bye.